Mondelez also just out with earnings. The giant snack maker beating on both the top and bottom lines. Mondelez also raising its dividend by 11%, offering a pretty strong outlook as well. That stock is down about 0.75%. Let's bring in Mondelez CEO Dirk Van de Put. Thanks for joining us fresh off these numbers, Dirk. Just talk us through it. It looks like strong, more than 6% organic revenue growth as the world really started to come back. What did you see?
Hi, Sarah. Yes, what we see is that in developed markets, the US and Europe, where last year we saw a big increase of consumption, consumers stayed at home, we're lapping that, and I would say that the increase that we saw is largely maintained this year. And then what we particularly saw in this quarter is the return of the emerging markets, which with very strong growth in almost all of our emerging markets: Brazil, Russia, India, China. And so there's in this quarter there are very few geographical weak spots. We also have our categories, biscuits and chocolate, very strong growth for us, about 6% growth on a two-year basis, so compared to 19 per year, 6% growth. We see gum and candy, which were very heavily affected last year because the consumer was less mobile, is starting to come back. And of course, we see the continuation of the strength in e-commerce. So I would say across the board, pretty good news for us.
So obviously the emerging markets is a big theme, and you're more exposed than most, probably any other consumer company out there. What is your confidence level that that comeback can continue while we have this Delta variant spreading? And as the IMF said this morning, there are some low-income countries out there where you're seeing vaccination rates of 1% to 2% compared to 40% for the developed world.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, it's going to be still a bumpy ride. Emerging markets, which on a two-year basis at the moment are growing about 5%, dropped to about a 1% to 2% growth last year for us. I assume that there will be markets around the world where we still will see some changes. India, for instance, has been through two cycles now where it had a difficult period. But it's going to be a combination around the world. It's not going to be the whole world at the same time. And so I think the mix effect of all that will provide us with stronger growth. We also see the consumer at home, as we talked about before, is consuming more biscuits and chocolates. And we see that also continuing in emerging markets in case consumers are not as mobile anymore. But in general, I would say, despite the Delta variant, the mobility of the consumer is coming back. They're still spending more time than before at home, but they're venturing out more even in emerging markets. And the combination of those two is what's providing this growth. And I think that will continue in the coming quarters.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.